and start. We're going to be on exponents today. I know you're like, oh my gosh, we're going all the way to the very first lesson of the book. So we're on page 7 of the textbook. And remember that when you are working with exponents, it's perfectly fine to use a calculator because these numbers tend to be pretty big. Hold on just a second. I got to answer that phone. All right, phone is answered. All done with that. So we're on 1-1. And this is going to be the exponents. We are on page 7. And today's day is the 21st. All right, so remember you can use a calculator if needed, but sometimes we don't need it. All right, so we're going to be doing a couple questions, starting off with number 11. Number 11, I'm going to write it out, is 8 times 8. How would you write 8 times 8 with exponents, using the exponent? Yes, Ben. Okay, 8 with a small 2. Okay, and when you have that small 2, that's saying squared. So you would say squared. So that, let's just say, like, let's put 3 with a 2. Yeah. So 8 to the second power, or 8 squared. And then if we had the same thing with a 3, that would be 3 to the third power, or 3 cubed. So you'll hear those words as well. Now, 8 to the second power, does that mean 8 times 2? No, it means 8 times 8. And what is 8 squared? What is when I solve that, what's the value? 64. Go ahead and start the next one without me. Are there? Guys? All right, help me out with number 12. What is this one? 4 to the power of 3, or we can say 4 cubed. Exactly. Now, taking our calculator, you guys can do 4 times 4 times 4. You have calculators on your Chromebooks, and you have, some of you already have them. What is 4 times 4 times 4? 64 again. Awesome. Let's move on to 13. Okay. Go ahead and work on that one. Yeah. Okay. All right. What is this one? 9 to the power of 4. Awesome. 9 to the power of 4. Who can solve that for me? What you got, Jack? Say it again, sweetie. 162 for 13. Sometimes when I do exponents on the calculator, I do it a couple times just to make sure I don't mess up. So try it again. Paxton? Uh-huh. Okay. Use a calculator. It's 6,561. Make sure you don't do like 9 times 4. Of course, that's not their answer, right? But you're doing 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. Anytime I solve exponents, I generally will solve it a couple times on the calculator. Yes, sir. Okay. All right, let's do 14. Go ahead and solve that one. It's going to be 12 to the power of 4. All right. Ben's got 20,736. Has anybody else solved it yet on the calculator? What you got, Will? Awesome. Very good. Oh, you did? Good. Calculator, yes. You need a calculator. Are you not? So, yes, you are using a calculator for exponents because these numbers get huge. All right. What's up, bud? Yep. Did you check it on your calculator? Okay. All right. So, I want to show you how to take one of these big numbers and blow it up for expanded form. So, this is the number that we just solved for that. Okay. So, we're going to blow this up. We're going to do the expanded form for exponents. So, you put parentheses, 2 times 10, and then you count how many places it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so sorry guys. So for the power, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever place that 2's in. Okay. In parentheses. And then you don't really need anything for the 0. It just signifies nothing, right? So then do the 7. So add 7 power of 3. Because look, 1, 2, 3 is in that third spot. And then you've got 3. What power is the 3 in? 2. Sorry, in parentheses. And then 6. And it's in the 1 space. Okay, so that's kind of how you blow those numbers up with the exponential. So 10 to the power of 5, 10 cubed, 10 squared to the power of 1. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Oh, goodness. Negative infinity. Okay, so I'm going to do questions 15 and 18 now. So questions 15 is 9 times 9. Oh, we've already done 9 times 9, have we? No, 9 times 9. All right, so we write that as what? 9 squared, or the power of 2. So 9 squared. And what is 9 times 9, class? 81. If we were to blow 81 up in expanded form, it will be 8 times 10. It's in that second power there. Plus 1 times 10 is that first power. All right. Go ahead and write that one down, and then we'll go to 18. Now, those dots in between the numbers, what do they represent? What, Audrey? Multiplication. So we have 2 to the power of, how many 2's do we have? 5. 2 to the power of 5. And then can you please solve it for me? 2 to the power of 5. You are more than welcome to. Is that right? Okay. And then if we were to blow 32 up. All right. Let's go ahead and go to 27. Now for 27, I want to ask you a question. It says 5 squared or 5 to the power of 2. Do I write this? Do I write this? Look up here. Do I write that? No, I do not. That is wrong. What will it be? Awesome. Okay. Do I have any questions right now? Awesomeness. Proud of you guys. All right, we're going to move into the quizzes now. So go to join my quiz.